Hi everyone, this is Wayne. Hey, welcome back. We're in the bedroom right now. Just put up this ceiling fan. It's a small ceiling fan. You see maybe 18, 24 inches maybe. I don't even know for sure. But it's putting down a lot of air, and we like it pretty well. Got a multi-function remote here. It's got the 6 different speeds. And let me check my mic. Yeah. I've got my mic on right here, and I don't know if you can hear it well over that or not, but I might hear it a little bit, but it's not loud. If you turn it down to the low speed, of course, you don't get as much air output, but it's almost silent. And we've got a light. Whoa! Now this light is got different kinds of settings on it. Different colors, I guess they are. Here's the brightness of it. Anyway, it's a really cool fan. Lightweight. It's not going to pull down your ceiling like some. There's no wobble to it at all. It's built really stable, and it went up like a breeze. Put together probably in about 5 minutes, and then another 10 or 15 taking the old light down, putting this one up. So it's really easy, simple instructions, and you can do it. If you're not comfortable with electrical work, though, you get somebody to help you with that. Okay, don't want anybody to get zapped. But anyway, we like it real well, and we're glad we got it. And I think you will be too when you get yours. Bye now.